Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use precision gear in Lands of Jail. Nothing feels more painful in Lands of Jail than collecting upgrade materials for hours and then realizing you can't even use them yet. Precision gear is actually tied to the equipment reformation system, which only unlocks once your legendary equipment reaches plus 40. So before anything else, head into your gear section and double check that the item you're upgrading is both legendary and leveled high enough. Once you hit that 40 plus mark, the reformation option becomes available, and this is where precision gears finally start doing their job. The first 10 reformation levels only require precision gears, making early upgrades fairly straightforward, but after level 10, the game suddenly decides life was too easy and starts asking for magnets too. You may also need extra requirements completed, like getting your warden to level 15 before everything unlocks properly. Basically, precision gear is endgame upgrade fuel, and once you start using it, your equipment stats can jump pretty dramatically. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.